Hey YouTube, this is Action Bros 22. I'm going to do a little running video of our race. Let's get to it. This is going to be a pretty long video. Might want to skip through some of it. But we're going to go in the woods. Come on. Come on.
Hello. On the camera. Whoa.
Sorry about the cameraman there. He's mumbling and stuff. He's not really. He's a beginner. Sunny out. I think my servo is screwed, so I might have a little bit of tracking steering. We're running a 5,000 milliamp battery in this, so it's not going to have the best speed or the best off-roading, but you know. A little bit of hike. A little muddy and sandy. Sorry about our feet. Kind of loud. A whole bunch of leaves.
That was freaking fun.
Okay. You just slipped?
Yes.
Sorry about the steering, like I said, Jack. There, I mean. Sorry if it's glaring or something, it has a glare, because it's really sunny out, but we're starting to get to the off-road part, when the battery's starting to run out. This is all boxed off. You might have to put a servo in it, a better servo. Sorry guys, I have a little chip on my steering wheel. I just noticed that. Here, point at the cliff, point at that, at the cliff. There's, yeah, go and look at it straight down. There's a little bit of a cliff there, that's where we do our rock crawling, but, the cliff is where we do our rock crawling, but if you want us to do any videos down there, just tell us. Get back to the I'll see. Whoops. Oop. That's bad. Servo saver. We're in Staten Island, New York. Riding the RC. Steering is really messed up. Sorry if I'm going way off. I gotta go really slow now because of the cliff. So. Look at that. There's another cliff right there. Oops, something came off there. But yeah, we do some of our crawling there. There's a little bit of water there, but we don't go in that. Might be sewer water. Sewage.
P.U.
We're getting, my cousin's getting the electrics RC. He's getting a waterproof one, 2.4 gigahertz. That's good for a beginner RC. So we're gonna go to JoJo's Hobby Shop, or I think it's in New Jersey. It's not called JoJo's Hobby Shop anymore because they just moved. But we're probably gonna have to bring this in. Because it's steering. It's probably the longest video we're ever gonna be making. We're gonna throw it. Gonna go throw a little bit more today. We've worked the Emacs through this stuff. It's great in this. We're bringing through a whole bunch of water down here, which we're probably not going to bring this through. We probably are. I think I'm too excited if we don't go. But we're going slow. This is basically the only place where we can ride our off-road RC besides going anywhere. Because this is about a minute away from my house, and we just walk down here. But we bring it down to beaches and stuff, which we haven't really done. Here inside. Yeah. Here, I think. Lift that up. I'll lift that up. Let's go through the water. Oops. Ooh, I think that's for the steering. Ooh. Oh well. Let's go through this water. We can take ice. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Comment and subscribe. Thanks.